Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Skills. So finally we are going to unbox the iPad Air M1. That is the latest iPad. We're going to unbox it and let's see what it brings to India and what else are the features and how it looks like and every other stuff, right? So this will be an unboxing video and we'll see what an Indian unit is going to get. So I ordered it from apple.com and it almost got shipped after 3 weeks, right? So yeah, here it is. There are some bunch of things on the box, and as always the packing from Apple is just amazing. So I'll quickly tear it down and let's see what it brings to the table, right? So here we are, and I'll just pop it up, and oh my god, here it is, the iPad Air M1. And they have not written iPad Air M1 here. I don't know why. Okay, so they have written the iPad 5th generation Wi-Fi version. So this is a Wi-Fi version and 64 GB it is. And the color, as you see, it is purple. I was supposed to buy a blue version, that means a blue color for this iPad, but for the speculations that were coming online that sorry, it was having some creaking sound from the body, so that's why I did not do that. So if we see the things that are written on the box, so it contains the iPad, a power adapter fortunately for now, and a USB cable that it brings on the table. So I got it for 54,900 from the exact amount, since from Apple they don't give some discounts. So okay, they have a good looking stuff over here, so I'll tear this apart, and yeah, it's done. And let's see. Come on, man. Okay, for some reason it's not opening. Again, I'll try. So okay, first time ever I'm opening an Apple product and it's not popping out of the box automatically, so not a super amazing thing for Apple. So let's keep the box aside, and here we are. As you can see, here is the iPad in itself. So we'll keep the iPad here and let's see what is in the box. So as always, it says designed by Apple in California. So they're having bunch of documentations probably. So there is bunch of paperwork from Apple, and let's see what is in it. So there is a manual again. Okay, that's it, I guess. Yeah, nothing else. So this is a small little manual with, you know, how to turn on the Apple and this iPad, and how to, you know, see the notification screen and other stuff, and the super amazing Apple logos just like always. So they're still shipping them. There is a power brick, and whose rating is not very much clear if I show you, so I'll just read it. I guess it's a 5 volt and 2.4 ampere power adapter and a USB C to C cable. That's very amazing thing that Apple is doing now, that at least it's shipping with C to C, not like iPhones how it is, still doing the lightning to C, right? So here is the iPad. So that's the moment, guys. So and here we are, and here the iPad slides, and oh my god, it looks amazing. So here is the iPad, and we're having a single shooter over here with the microphone, noise cancellation, the Apple logo in the center just like always, and here the branding, sorry, the Apple Air, that it says designed in California and assembled in China, and model number this. So apart from that, on the right side of the iPad we have two volume rocker, the volume up and power button here, sorry, the volume up and volume down button, and here we are having the power button again, two speaker grills here and two speaker grills here. So it's having a stereo setup, so that's a very amazing thing. And apart from that, we don't have anything. This is a unibody build, and here we are having a USB-C type charging slot, right? Again guys, this is an Indian unit, so I'm not sure. For me, there is no creaky sound or anything from this, even if I'm doing anything. So let's start with the power on process, and let's see what this new iPad brings to the table, right? So I'll press the volume up button, sorry, the power button, and it should power it. Yes, it says Apple. So here is our iPad. I have set it up, and in fact I have set up on the whole of the device, installed bunch of applications like Call of Duty, Geekbench, N22, Brave, and a game as well, just to just to have a look how this looks like and how it performs, right? So overall performance, what I could feel from the the very initial impressions, it was super great. Trust me, it like everything is snappier. I mean, everything is just super. Come on, man, I don't want you here. Yeah, just look at how easy the apps are, and all these animations and other things, they are just super amazing, and trust me. And in fact, on top of that, if we look at the camera section, if I go to settings and then I go to camera, we have the recording video resolution at 4K, 60 fps, 30 fps, 24, and like almost all the formats that we want. And yes, we also have a auto FPS option as well. So I'll keep it to 30 and 60 fps, or just 30 fps for the low light performance, right? So as you can see, there's another some information also given over here, so you can have a look at these, and these are the camera specs, and you can record videos at these resolutions. Apart from that, we have FaceTime and other stuff, and here in the FaceTime, the option of share play is, yes, share play is enabled. So this way you can play videos with others, or you can play one video and watch it with your friends, your family, your girlfriend, or your loved ones, in a nutshell, right? So this is the new iPad. This was the unboxing and the initial impressions, as you can see. And this, believe me, this is the purple color, but for some reason this is looking a grayish in the camera, and in fact to my eyes also this is looking a little grayish. But I have checked the gray version. It's very different. Trust me, it's very different. If I want to have a look at the gray, and this is how these look like, right? This is the gray iPad 9th generation that I previously bought, and this is the iPad Air 5th generation. You see, there is a difference, actual difference in the color, in the how they reflect light. You see, this is a little purplish and this is gray. So don't confuse it with that. This is the gray iPad, right? This is the purple iPad. And let's see if that creaking sound that people were telling about. Yeah, it is here, you see, right? Just have a look at here at this point. So yes, maybe there is some build quality issues or something like that, but definitely I'm going to put this iPad in cover, and I don't want to risk it because it literally cost like 55,000 to me in India. And yeah, that's it. And very soon the comparison between iPad Air and iPad 9th generation will be up on the channel, so do subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.